We recommend the following 3 OrangePi single-board computers: OrangePi 3B, OrangePi 3 LTS, and OrangePi 03. These models are very user-friendly for beginners, feature-rich, and affordable. 1. OrangePi 3B. OrangePi 3B is powerful option, ideal for users with higher computing performance demands. OrangePi 3B features the Rockchip RK3566 quad-core 64-bit processor, with a maximum frequency of up to 1.8 GHz. It comes with 2 GB, 4 GB, or 8 GB of LPDDR4/4X memory and supports eMMC modules of 16 GB, 32 GB, 64 GB, 128 GB, and 256 GB. Additionally, they support Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and feature onboard M.2 key interfaces, enabling connectivity to SATA 3 or PCIe 2.0 NVMe SSD hard drives. OrangePi 3B is equipped with a variety of interfaces, including HDMI output, TF card slot, Gigabit Ethernet port, USB ports, and a multifunctional 40-pin expansion interface. Price list: 2GB $30, $4GB $35, $8GB $45. 2. OrangePi 3 LTS. OrangePi 3 LTS is another excellent choice and is one of the most classic products from OrangePi, having gained considerable popularity among consumers since its release in 2021. It features the high-performance all-winner H6 quad-core 1.8 GHz A53 processor, comes with 2 GB of LPDDR3 memory, and includes 8 GB of eMMC flash. It also supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, similar to the OrangePi 3B. In terms of interfaces, OrangePi 3 LTS is equipped with a 3.5mm audio jack, TF card slot, HDMI output, Gigabit Ethernet port, USB ports, and a 26-pin expansion interface, catering to a wide range of application needs. Price: OrangePi 3 LTS 2 GB 8 GB eMMC flash $35. 3. OrangePi 03. For users on a limited budget, OrangePi 03 is an excellent choice. Despite its low price, it still provides satisfactory performance in a variety of interfaces, making it suitable for lightweight applications and basic development projects. OrangePi 03 is a cost-effective single-board computer that features the all-winner H6 1864-bit high-performance quad-core Cortex A53 processor. It is available in 4 memory configurations: 1 GB, 1.5 GB, 2 GB, and 4 GB, all of which support Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, offering great convenience to users. In terms of interfaces, the OrangePi 03 is equipped with micro HDMI, USB, Gigabit Ethernet port, 26-pin, and 13-pin expansion interfaces. Additionally, the 13-pin expansion interface can be used with official adapter boards to develop additional functionality. Price list: 1GB $14.9, 1.5GB $16.9, 2GB $19.9, 4GB $25. Expansion board $1.99. Whether you're aiming to learn the basics of Linux or dive into project development, all 3 OrangePi models mentioned above can meet your needs. They make it easy for users to get started and quickly grasp the Linux system. Choose the model that suits you best and kickstart your journey of learning and development with Linux.